Hello friends, welcome to John and Mama's Yummy Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very healthy tea time snack for kids. We are going to make the covering of this particular snack with maida, and we will fill this with paneer, cheese, corn and some spices and fry this. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. For making paneer corn snack, I have taken 200 grams of paneer and I have grated it. 100 grams of corn, 50 grams of cheese, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 chilli finely chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped, salt as per taste. For the dough and the covering, I have taken 1 cup of maida, 1 tablespoon oil and water. For making the dough, I am taking maida, 1 tablespoon oil, salt as per taste, and water. We will add water little by little. I will add some more water. Our dough is ready. You can see it is soft. Now I will be keeping this aside. For the filling, I have taken paneer. Add boiled corn to it. Add cheese. You can take mozzarella cheese if you have it. I have taken simple processed cheese. Add the chilies. You can skip if you don't want the chilies. Black pepper. Coriander leaves. And salt as per taste. Here I have put very little spices because I want the taste of paneer and cheese to stand out. If you want, you can add some garam masala to it. Take a small portion of the dough and flatten it in oval shape. It should be thin and not too thick. Now divide this into two. Hold this in your hand. Seal both the ends. If you want, you can use some water to seal it. Fill it with the filling. And seal the sides. Just realign it to get a triangular shape. Take both the ends. Seal the end, press it gently. You can use some water. Take the filling, fill it, and seal all the edges. First in the middle, and then work on the sides. You will get a triangular shape. Just flatten it I have stuffed the filling. Now we are going to fry it. The oil is hot. I have heated it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now carefully add this in oil from the sides without burning your fingers. Decrease the flame and fry this for 2 to 3 minutes.
After 3 minutes, I have removed this in a plate.
Friends, our snack is ready. You can have it with sauce, mayonnaise or green chutney. Try this quick evening snack for the kids and let us know how it was.